meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only want to see you better than a purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Only want to see you better than a purple. I never wanted to be your weekend lover. I only wanted to be some kind of friend. Yeah, yeah. Baby, baby, I can never steal you from another. It's such a shame our friendship had to end. Purple rain, purple rain. Woo! Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Only want to see you underneath the purple rain. Honey, I know, the times are changing. It's time we all reach out for something new that means you. You say you want a leader, but you can't seem to make up your mind.